Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys know I'm Side Hustle Keisha. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. So every time I upload a video, you're in the know. You listen, you guys, I have a cool opportunity. If you guys just are enjoying the time that you're able to spend at home and watch a little bit more TV, this thing right here is easy, you guys. It's so easy. It's just watching your favorite holiday movie. Okay, make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to give you all the deets on this crazy opportunity where you can make a quick $2,500. $2,500 from home in less than a month. Stay with it, okay? Listen, you guys, make sure you're following me on Instagram, Facebook. Make sure you follow me so every time I upload a new video, you're notified, okay? So let's jump into this crazy, cool, exciting opportunity that I've made. I had to go and put my Christmas sweater on to share with you guys. Listen, let's get with it, okay? I want to share this opportunity with you. And let me tell you, I did my research before I'm bringing this to you now. Listen, I woke up this morning, I saw it on Facebook. Okay, a cool opportunity where you can watch 25 movies and make $2,500. Okay, I had to share it with you guys. So I did my research. Listen, it's all on the internet. So I went over to this company and I applied for the opportunity. So you will come to this website. Remember, this a link to the direct opportunity will be below in the description box. So all you do is click on apply. Okay, listen, you're going to click on apply. And then it's going to tell you about this amazing opportunity. Get paid $2,500 to watch 25 holiday movies in 25 days. Listen up, future chief holiday cheermeisters, okay? Do you love all things holiday related, like peppermint mocha, fully decorated homes, and cuddling on the couch under a snowflake blanket while watching a holiday movie? That's me right there. Me and my son love watching holiday movies. Good, because this means you're the right person to help us find the best holiday movie of all time. Listen, if you like watching movies, this is for you. How are you going to do this? You ask. You'll get to watch 25 holiday movies of your choice in 25 days. It's a dream come true. We know, right? Not only do you get to watch lots of movies while working from home, we won't tell your boss, or with your kids during dinner time, you're going to get paid for it, okay? We want to get paid 25 and it gets 2,500 and it gets a year's worth of streaming. Listen, you're going to get paid $2,500. You're going to get a year worth of streaming to 7 different streaming services. Yeah. Hey, that sounds like a cool opportunity to me because I'm already like paying for 4 streaming services already. So that would be a win-win. So are you willing to complete the challenge? Listen, so you would come here, you're going to watch this video, you're going to click here to apply. But before you guys do that, you should apply. Does the sound of jingle bells warm your heart? Then you should apply, right? What will you get? Okay, as a chief holiday cheermeister, put this prestigious title on your resume, okay? You're going to get $2,500 of cold hard cash, okay? Well, probably a direct deposit, okay? And that's not all. You'll get access, you'll get Netflix for a year, Hulu, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, HBO Max, Apple TV Plus, and Hallmark Movies Now. So, and then you'll get unlimited cocoa breaks. Listen, this is so cool, you guys. Okay, so this is some of what's the job? Must already have a device compatible for streaming. All you have to do is watch 25 holiday movies in 25 days. The other thing you have to do, you'll have to fill out a short post movie survey. So I'll show you that next. What will I watch? So you'll be watching Home Alone, Frosty the Snowman, Santa Claus, Elf, Claus, The Christmas Story, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Rise of the Guardians, Polar Express, The Christmas Carol, The Holiday Movie, Christmas with the Cranks, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, The Muppet Christmas Carol, Last Holiday, Love Actually, Deck the Halls, Charlie Brown Christmas. Come here and read it. I'll give you guys the link. You're going to be watching these movies. And you have to apply by December 4th 2020 by 11:59 p.m. Don't get to cut. Don't wait to the cutoff to do it, because you don't want to miss this opportunity. And what's going to happen, they'll be announcing the winner from their YouTube channel on December 7, 2020. So what you're going to do is going to come here and apply. You're going to fill out this form. You're going to click submit, but don't stop there. You have to continue and fill out the rest of this form. Okay. And how you know you got the opportunity to watch these movies and get the $2,500 is if you come back to their YouTube channel, which you're going to find here, and you're going to subscribe. Okay. You're going to subscribe. I would subscribe to all three: their Twitter, their Facebook reviews, and then their YouTube channel. So that way you stay in the know if you get this opportunity. And you're going to get a chance to watch 25 movies and make $2,500. You guys know I'm always bringing you opportunities, side hustles, cool opportunities for you to make money from home. I applied for it because it's a cool opportunity. We ain't doing nothing but sitting at home, and we need to be in the house anyway, staying safe and out of these streets, right? So go over here and apply for this cool opportunity, and drop a comment below in the comments of this video. Let me know if you get the job. We want to know. We want to celebrate you. What a cool way to make some money. We need the little holiday cheer. We need something to take our mind off of this craziness that's going on right now that we're all dealing with. And this is the first time we've all dealt with this all together. So guess what? Let's do something else together. Let's watch some movies and make some money, okay? You guys have a great night. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notification button. Share this with a friend. This is a cool opportunity. Drop below in the description of this video to get the link to apply. Have a great night. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.